morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So today we study chapter number 5, word processor main merge. Subtopics are main merge, advantages of main merge, uses of main merge, creating main merge and printing a main merge document. First is what is main merge. Main merge is a process of combining or merging a main document with the data source. The data source contains the name and address of each recipient to whom you want to send a document. According to this, the main document can be any greeting you want to send to your relatives. So your recipient is your relative list. Okay. So you combine the message with the people you want to send that greeting. Setting up a mail merge involves a number of steps. The step first is set the document type, letter, email, associate a data source with the document, new, Outlook contact, or some other source. Number third is design your data document by combining ordinary document feature with word merge fields. Number four, preview the finished document by testing to see how it looks with different data records. Number 5. Finish the process by merging the data document with the data source. Number 6. Final document is called merge document, which can be saved, printed or emailed. Next is advantages of mail merge. Easy to make a change to a single letter, and for that a change to happen in every letter. For example, change the date. Okay, if you want to send the mail to 100 people, suppose, and you want to change the date, so mail merge help you to change the date only in one. All other updation will done automatically. Okay, now second is once the merge has been set up, hundred of letters can be produced very quickly. Number third is much easier to proofread just one letter rather than hundred of individual letters. Next, you can save the main document and you reuse it in the future. Next is uses of mail merge. A set of form, letter or email, messages or faxes. Next is a set of labels and envelopes. Third is some common uses of mail merge like student reports, envelope for bulk mailing and so on. Next is how to create a mail merge. Now the first step is open the Word document that you want to use as a letter. First you open the Word document, okay? Click the mailing tab, then click on start mail merge button, then click on letters. After that, click on select recipients. Then click on the option to identify the type of recipient list you plan to use. The new address list dialog box appears, displaying areas where you can enter the information. Seventh step, click on each area and type the appropriate information for each person. You don't have to fill every entry. 8 point to enter the information for another person. Click on new entry. 9th, repeat step 7th and 8th for each person to be added on your mailing list. 10th, when you finish creating your mailing list, just click on OK. Now next, the save address list dialog box appears. 11th point is type a name for the file that will store your mailing list. Next point, click on save button to save the file. Now you can select recipient from the mailing list to send the letter. 13 point, click on edit recipient list. The mail merge recipients window appears. 14th, a check mark beside the person name indicates Word will create a personalized letter for the person. To add or remove a check mark, click on the box beside the person name. Now 15, click on OK. After that, 16, click on the location where you want the address to appear in the letter. 17, click on address block. The insert address block dialog box appears. 18, click on the format for each recipient's name. You can preview the format here. Now you can write the format like name and surname. Okay, then click on Okay, after that 20th, click on the location where you want the greeting to appear. Like if you want the greeting to appear after rest, you can just click on that location. Now click on greeting line. Okay, the insert greeting line dialog box appeared. Click on these areas to specify the greeting format. What greeting format you want? First you want her or his surname or name. The preview of the greeting appears here. Now click on OK. After that, a merge field representing the greeting line appear in the letter. After completing the merge, Word will replace the merged field with the greeting information. Click on preview result. 25th, click on next record icon to preview the next letter and the preview record icon to move back and preview the previous letter. Now 26, click on the finish and merge. Now 27, click on edit individual documents. The merge to new document dialog box appear. 28, click on any radio button to specify which people from the mailing list you want to create letter for. Click on OK button to create the letter. Words open the new document and creates the personalized letter in the document. 30. You can edit and print the letter as you edit and print any document. Editing a letter allow you to include additional information in the letter. 31st. You can scroll through to see all the pages of your mail merge. Now this document, just open the merge document you want to take print out. Click on the file tab. Backstage view appears. Click on print. You can specify a number of copies to print. Just click on print. Okay, that's it for today. Your homework is to revise all the topics that I have done today. Thank you. Have a